Have you ever thought about grinding your own cornmeal at home? Today, we'll show you how. Hi, welcome to our kitchen today. We're so glad you could join us. I'm Dad from Kitchen Time with Dad, and this is
Leah.
And today we have something special we're going to make. What are we going to make today, Leah?
Cornmeal.
Cornmeal. So what is this that we need to put in our blender?
Popcorn.
So we're going to take 2 cups of popcorn and put it in our dry container for our Vitamix. Go ahead and put that right there. Ooh, good. Now, if you blend it for 60 seconds, you will probably make masa or corn flour. We just want cornmeal for cornbread, so we're going to blend it for about 30 seconds. Or as you watch the texture, you just make it as fine or as rough ground as you really want it to be. So go ahead and turn this on right here, Leah. This one right here. Okay, so we have ground it for a while, and we have cornmeal. Doesn't that feel like cornmeal? Yeah, that's kind of cool. So we're going to go ahead and pour it in this big bowl and see that it's fine. Now, there are a couple clumps in there just from all the heat. So we've got our whisk, and we're going to whisk that around. Go ahead and whisk it up a little bit. So we've taken our cornmeal out of our dry container for the Vitamix and poured it into a bowl. We whisked out just a few clumps that were in there, and now we are going to make cornbread with our cornmeal. And it's exciting to make your own stuff here at home. There's no preservatives in it. We're so glad you could join us today on Kitchen Time with Dad. Tell us below in the comments if you've ever tried to make your own cornmeal. It's real easy. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for joining us in our kitchen today. Subscribe so you can come back and see again what memories we're building as we work in the kitchen. We say healthy food for
Happy family.
That's right. Thanks so much.